I do hopefully a short video walkthrough of how progress is being made on our church buildings here at St. John's. There's the front. We're standing on where the worship space used to be. And just over to that section. And we'll walk around to go through the front door. You'll see all the brick is being painted white. We just have this one section left to be done. And the poles here in the main entrance are going to all be the brown color also. This will be the main entrance. And this is looking out from the inside. This leads into our Sunday school area. This room over here is going to be our nursery with the restroom at the far end. And you can see all the progress being made in our Sunday school area. As we come back out into the greeting area and go down the hallways, you see at least first coats of paint being done. We've had inspections today from the fire inspector, and be putting the ceilings in pretty soon. This is our tremendous storage area that we didn't have before. This will be such a blessing. There will be some HVAC and electric going here, but not that much. And as we continue down the hallway, we have the men's restroom as it was before, right to my right. And then we walk into our worship center. And you can see it is coming along. Again, they've got the first coat of paint on and about to start putting the ceiling tiles in. And we walk over to the kitchen area. This will be a pass-through area. And for those who've been around for a long time, our kitchen has greatly increased. You can already see the cabinets being put in. And as we go out of the kitchen into the hallway, this is where the washer and dryer area will be. And then our music room, as it was before. And our place apart room, our Sunday school area, as before. And you'll notice in these two buildings, we have central air now and not those terrible sounding wall units. And I will take a quick walk downstairs and see what is going on, that's been going on down there. You see the painting has begun, at least again the first coat. And everything else, a lot of this is the same, except the garage that we had is now one large room. We took out the wall that was right here, so we'd have more room for our garage equipment. The youth high school room is still the same. Still gonna have the bricks as they were with people, the kids owning the brick. What used to be our nursery is scheduled to be our conference room, which would be a wonderful room for meetings, especially council. One of the most exciting things downstairs here is our youth room. That used to be two rooms with a wall in between where we had a conference room on the other side. This whole room now is dedicated for our youth. What a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful space. My office has basically stayed the same, except the closet has been enlarged, but everything else remains the same. And as we walk, into the office area, this is where our workroom will be, as it was before. And there's all the cabinets and stuff for our workroom, and this is Anita's office. So they are getting closer and closer. We are so blessed. And as we walk out, get a view from the back side of it being painted white, you know, with fascia and all of that painted, you know, a brownish bronze color. And it's like most of this wall over here has at least got a first coat, if not the full coat of paint. So a lot of things have been happening and we are so blessed. Can't wait. We have a target date of August 19th for them to be done with construction. We'll have another update soon. Take care. Bye.